Python's OS module offers robust tools for file handling and system interactions. It enables directory manipulation, file creation, and environment variable management. Mastering these techniques enhances automation and system efficiency, crucial for developing advanced Python applications. File handling in Python involves reading, writing, and managing files using built-in functions like open, read, write, and close. Understanding file modes such as R, W, A, and B is crucial. Python's OS module enhances file handling by providing tools for directory manipulation, file path operations, and system-level interactions, making it indispensable for efficient data management. File handling is crucial for persistent data storage, allowing information to survive application restarts and system reboots. It supports system automation by managing files and directories, optimizing workflows. Python's built-in modules simplify operating system interactions, offering intuitive interfaces for file and directory manipulation, enhancing efficiency and ease of use. Python's open function is essential for file handling, supporting modes like R, W, and A. Always manage resources by closing files explicitly or using context managers. Text files are default, while binary files use RB or WB. The with statement is crucial for automatic file closure, ensuring robust exception handling. Let's delve into a practical example of Python file operations. Using the context manager syntax, we open a file, read its content, process the data, and ensure the file is safely closed. This approach not only simplifies code, but also enhances reliability by automatically managing resources, even in the event of exceptions. The OS module in Python's standard library offers a unified interface for interacting with the operating system. It provides cross-platform compatibility, allowing seamless operations on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. With the OS module, you can manipulate directories, files, permissions, environment variables, and processes efficiently, abstracting platform-specific details for a consistent experience. The OS module, integral to Python's standard library, offers portable access to operating system-dependent features without external dependencies. It ensures cross-platform compatibility, functioning seamlessly on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. This module provides comprehensive system access, allowing manipulation of directories, files, permissions, environment variables, and processes through a unified Pythonic interface. os.getQD provides the absolute path of the current directory, crucial for script context. Use os.chdir path to programmatically navigate directories. os.mcdir path creates a single directory but errors if the parent doesn't exist. For nested directories, os.makedir's path efficiently creates all necessary parent directories in one go. Begin by identifying your current directory using os.getCwd, which provides the absolute path. Navigate the directory structure with os.chdir to move up one level. Create a single directory using os.mkdir new_ folder. For building nested directories, os.makedir's parent/child/grandchild efficiently creates multiple levels in one command. The console output confirms each directory operation. The current working directory path is displayed, and directory changes are acknowledged. Successful directory creation is silent, but error handling prevents duplicate creation issues. Note that absolute paths differ across operating systems, impacting how paths are displayed and navigated. Listing and checking files and directories is crucial for managing file systems. The os.listdir function retrieves all entries in a specified directory, including files and subdirectories, but excludes dot and dot dot. It defaults to the current directory if no path is given. For ordered results, use sorted as the order is arbitrary. The os.listdir function retrieves names of all entries in a directory, including files and subdirectories. It defaults to the current directory if no path is specified. While it excludes E and A, the order of entries is arbitrary. Use sorted for consistent alphabetical ordering, crucial for processing directory contents efficiently. Using os.listdir, you can list all entries in a directory. To filter files, use os.path.exists file, and for directories, use os.path.existir. For consistent output, apply sorted. Example, list entries in /path//to/project and print them alphabetically. This approach helps manage and process directory contents efficiently.